Did you know drinking water upside down can stop hiccups instantly? It sounds wild, but here's the science. When you tilt your head forward and sip water from the opposite rim of the glass, you're tricking your diaphragm into resetting itself. This quirky maneuver interrupts the spasm cycle causing your hiccups. Next time you're caught in a public hiccup fit, don't panic, grab a glass, lean forward, and sip away. It's a strange sight, sure, but the relief is worth the curious glances. This method taps into your body's natural reflexes, providing an immediate and effective solution to an age-old annoyance. Whether you're in a meeting or on a date, now you've got a secret weapon against those pesky hiccups. Try it and watch as the hiccup mystery unravels, leaving you hiccup-free and ready to take on your day.